Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, waking up too early, commuting in heavy traffic, and arriving at an office that feels more like a prison than a place of productivity? It's a cycle we're all too familiar with. The alarm clock's relentless ring, the race against time, the hustle and bustle of the morning commute, the endless meetings, the ticking clock, the late-night finishes. It's a routine that leaves us drained, with little time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. This daily grind, with its rigid work hours and demanding commute, is a common frustration for many. It's a system that seems to take more than it gives, leaving us yearning for more flexibility, more freedom, more control over our own lives. But what if there's another way? A path that requires courage, skill, and determination, but reaps great rewards. Imagine a life where the daily grind is a thing of the past, and where your office is just a few steps away from your bedroom. Imagine a life where you're the boss, right in the comfort of your own home. Picture this. Wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, not to the sound of an alarm clock jarring you from your slumber. No more rushing through the morning, no more traffic jams. You're your own boss, and your commute is just a few steps away. Let's take a journey into the life of Alex, a successful home-based entrepreneur. Alex was once stuck in a 9-to-5 job that was draining his spirit, but he dared to dream bigger. He took the leap and decided to invest in his passion, graphic design. And guess what? He turned his hobby into a profitable business, right from the comfort of his home office. In his home-based business, Alex found freedom and flexibility that he never knew before. He was no longer tied to a rigid schedule or a grueling commute. He had the luxury to manage his time as he pleased, to take breaks when needed, to spend time with his family without seeking anyone's permission. And the best part? He could do all this while doing what he loved. The financial rewards? Well, they were beyond what he ever imagined. He was no longer working for a fixed salary that barely covered his bills. Instead, he was earning profits directly proportional to his efforts. The more he worked, the more he earned. And guess what? He was saving too. On fuel, on work clothes, on time. His overheads were minimal and his profits were on the rise. And the fulfillment he felt? Priceless. He was not just earning money, he was building something of his own. His hard work was not just filling someone else's pocket, it was paving the way for his own success. Every day, he was not just working, he was creating, innovating, growing. This is the triumph of working from home, the triumph of owning your time, your work, your success. Alex did it, and so can you. Just like them, you can strike gold. You can build a successful venture right from your home. What's stopping you from taking the leap and starting your own home-based business? Is it fear? Uncertainty? Or perhaps you've just never considered it as a viable option. But consider this. A home-based business requires far less capital and overhead than traditional businesses. You don't need to worry about expensive rentals or high startup costs. In many cases, you can leverage what you already have at your disposal. Think about it. Your home is your office, your computer, your tools. The phone lines you use to connect with friends and family can become your lines of communication with clients and customers. And that spare room or garage, it could be transformed into a storage area or a mini showroom. You're not starting from scratch, you're building on what you already have. And the savings? They're not just monetary. Imagine reclaiming all the hours lost to commuting, the money spent on gas, the wear and tear on your vehicle. Imagine no longer needing to spend on work clothes or lunches out. Every penny saved is a penny that can be reinvested back into your business. But the best part? The earning potential. When you work for someone else, your salary is fixed. You know exactly how much you're going to make each month, regardless of how hard you work. But with a home-based business, your earnings are directly tied to your effort and dedication. The harder you work, the more you can make. It's as simple as that. So why not invest in yourself? Why not take the skills, the talents, the resources you already have and use them to create something that is uniquely yours? It's not just about making money. It's about creating a life that offers freedom, flexibility, and the satisfaction of knowing you're building something of your own. Remember, in a home-based business, your earnings are a reflection of your hard work and commitment, so why not invest in yourself? You deserve it.